If you're facing the issue of a Hisense Roku TV red light blinking, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'm going to help you troubleshoot and fix the blinking red light on your Hisense Roku TV. Step 1. Check the power supply. First things first, let's check the power supply. A blinking red light often indicates a power issue. Ensure that your TV is securely plugged into the working power outlet. Sometimes the problem can be as simple as a loose power cable or a faulty socket. If the power outlet is faulty, try plugging the TV into a different outlet to see if the problem persists. Step 2. A soft reset can resolve many common issues without affecting your settings or data. To perform a soft reset, simply unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. After reconnecting, turn the TV back on. Step 3. Inspect the HDMI and other cables. Faulty cables can sometimes lead to a blinking red light. Check all cable connections to ensure that they are tightly connected and free from damage. Replace any worn out damaged cables. Make sure to inspect both ends of each cable to secure connections. Step 4. Update the TV software. Outdated software can cause issues, including problems with the power indicator light. Check for any available software updates by navigating to your settings on your Hisense Roku TV. Select System followed by System Updates. If there's an update available, make sure to install it. This can often resolve many minor problems. Step 5. Factory Reset. If none of the above solutions work, you want to perform a factory reset. To perform the factory reset, press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, select System, Advanced System, and then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset process. And there you have it, a full guide on how to fix a Hisense Roku TV red light blinking. If you try these steps and the issue persists, it might be a sign of a deeper hardware problem requiring professional service.